In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move data between databases in Notion. Moving items from one database to another is really useful when you're reorganizing your workspace, cleaning things up, or updating your systems. Maybe you started with one big master database and now you want to split it into more focused ones, or you just want a certain entry to live somewhere else. Whatever the reason, the actual process in Notion is very simple once you know where to look. First, find the item you want to move. This could be a task, a project, a note, or any entry inside a Notion database. Make sure you're in a database view such as a table, board, list, or gallery view. Each row or card in that view is an individual page inside the database. Now, hover your mouse over the item you want to move. As you move your cursor over it, you'll see a small handle made of 6 dots appear to the left of the item. This 6-dot icon is how you access more options for that specific page or row. Once you see the 6 dots, click directly on them. This will open a small context menu with several options related to that particular entry. These options can include things like duplicating, deleting, or copying a link to the page. What we're interested in here is the option for moving that item. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Move To. Go ahead and click on Move To. When you do this, Notion will open a panel or drop-down that lets you choose where you want this page to go. From here, you can navigate through your workspace to find the destination database. You'll usually see your pages and databases listed, often organized by workspace and subpages. Take a moment to carefully select the correct database, especially if you have several with similar names. Once you click on the target database, Notion will automatically move the item there. After the move, your page is now stored in the new database, along with its content. Depending on how the destination database is set up, some properties may look different, or you may need to adjust a few fields to match that database's structure. And that's all there is to it. Click the 6 dots next to your item, choose Move To, select the new database, and your data is successfully moved.